So this is my new to me vintage Japanese made Canadian sold sewing machine. It's called Vogue. Isn't that cute? That's just like, I don't know if that's a like Vogue Patterns brand or not, because these were all like branded. They were generic machines that got their own little brand on them. And it's about mid-century. We're saying mid-50s because we don't know. We don't actually know. There's a serial number in the little, look, it came with the book. Got it off Marketplace. But that's it. There's no date or anything like that. But what we do know is that it's mid-century and it's a beast. She's a beast, people. She's metal throughout and lovely. I used to have a metal machine, not this old, it was from the 80s that was my mom's. And I learned on that machine. It was great. It was all metal, inside, outside. It was a white machine, the white brand. I didn't, for 20 years, 25 years, I didn't service it at all. And one of the things that I didn't know, right? I just didn't think about it in my youthful ignorance. I don't know. And I ended up getting in what I thought was a new machine, a Singer. And look at that, the light still works. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to thread this up, learn how to thread it. But I just wanted to tell my little story. I ended up getting a new Singer, like, $100 and some odd dollars, and with all the fancy stitches, and it's electronic. And it's only a few years on and it's not great. I can't even sew vinyl to a piece of felt. I tried to make these little pads for our games table and I couldn't do it. It kept having an error message. So, and it also skips stitches. So clearly it needs, after servicing this, I realized that my new machine could be probably serviced and I could probably fix this, maybe not the inability to get through thicker materials, but I could fix the stitch skipping probably. But anyway, all that to say, also after servicing this, I can't believe how well this is built. So I am learning a whole bunch of new things about, like, older is better, as it is with with most things, right? Oh, so I'm so excited about this. It came with the table and everything. It does need a little refinishing, but I am just so excited. So first, I just want to show you the thing where the pedal works with my knee here, which is a little awkward, I'm going to say. I'm going to get used to that. But look how smooth it is. I can't believe it. So, okay. I am going to figure out now how to thread this. The bobbin already has thread in it, so I'm just going to use that. I'm going to do that first, and I assume it's very similar. Like, I've noticed that all the things, even the bobbin housing, which is a little awkward to get into, if I'm honest, down here, is where is it? This is my little tabby thing. It's the same as my new machine and my 80s machine, which the story of the 80s machine, I gave it away, guys. I donated it. Sad about it. My only solace is that somebody's excited that they found it at the thrift store. So, but I didn't know. What I also didn't know is that my grandma had an all metal machine, older than the 80s one, younger than this though, I think. And we also gave it away because I was like, oh no, I have a brand new Singer. And I thought it was better. And it wasn't, guys. Okay, we did it. Okay, so she's in. I'm going to put that up. Oh, I guess we don't want threads stuck there. And I'm going to now learn how to do this for the first time. Okay, here we go. Look, I opened right up to the page. Okay, so we're going over here. I don't know, we're skipping this. We're going around here. I also don't know about thread tension. I have to, like, these are things I just don't actually know about it. I never learned about it. Why is that? Where's this going? Right here? Up here. Through here. Now this, do I put it through? Do I thread it through here like this? Okay. I guess I put it through the hole. I guess that makes sense. And it won't slip out. Okay. What about this? What's this for? What's this for? Okay, because it's telling me now just to go take the down through guide on faceplate, into guide on needle clamp, and from left to right through eye of needle. Okay, where's the needle clamp? Of this? Is that this? Ah, okay. And then left. Oh, it's on the side instead of on the front. This is the original needle too. Actually, can't. I see better with my glasses up. Well, I don't know if it's an original needle. I lied. It's. Oh my gosh, guys. It's a. It came with the machine. We'll say that, and it needed cleaning. So I don't even know if it's gonna. It seems okay. All right. So then, oh no. Okay, we got it. And then we go back. Okay, and then we're gonna go pick up the thread. There's my scissors from underneath. Pull her out. Okay, did we do it? I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for. That's meant to be there. Am I supposed to go through the hole? I guess we're gonna find out. Retaining bar. Is that this? Is this supposed to go around that? Okay, let's see. Maybe this is supposed to go. Okay, let's back up the track here. I think that this is supposed to go. We got the bobbin thread out. I think this is supposed to go behind this little. Let's pull this out. I think this is supposed to go behind here. Like that. It's behind there. Okay. It doesn't flop about. I mean, that makes sense to me. There. I don't know if that's supposed to go there. Is that going to cause a problem? Who knows? No, it says not to do that. So don't do that. Okay. We have a. Does this move? Okay. It's not. It's similar, but like the new machines have the arrows. And then you just kind of get used to that flow. Okay, that went a lot quicker. Okay. Okay. Now, the thing that I don't know is this. Okay, so to adjust or release pressure foot. Okay, so this is the pressure on the foot. This guy. In all ordinary sewing, presser foot moves easily over most heavy seams and bulky fabric, but when sewing especially heavy, you want to release at all pressure of pressure foot. Push click in presser regulator with your finger. Is that this? Okay, that's this. Okay, I see it went up and down. So we don't need it to be that high, right? And so that puts pressure on the foot to make it more tight. I'm gonna admit it was like this when I got it. And we took it out. So, because we had to take this off. I'm not sure if that's the correct. If it's, I don't know. Anyway. I guess we're gonna find out. Okay, and then also this is the, maybe that's coming. Regulate tension, right? So I actually have no idea, because this, when I, like, it just keeps spinning. There's no click or anything like that. So I'll have to figure out if I need to loosen that or not. Because it spins completely out and just keeps going past the numbers. So I'm not sure if that, and then it tightens as I push in, and it goes through the numbers a couple times. So it's not like we start at 0 and stop at 10. It just keeps, I don't know. So, and then this length of stitch. Okay. The length of stitch is regulated by stitch regulator lever to change or set the length of the stitch. Loosen the thumb screw. Okay. Move it to the end of the slot. Then move the stitch regulator lever downward, the indication of forward. Okay, so that goes backwards and that goes forward. Is that what you're telling me? Then lower the lever. The lower the lever is, the longer the stitch. Oh, okay, okay. So this, if I want it at 1, okay, and then I tighten it. I hope that's right. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. And I have a little test fabric. This is some Teddy Cows scrap that I have. But I want to see it, so I'm gonna double the fabric and we're gonna go on the back here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a hot bulb, guys. Incandescent, old one. Okay. Oh my gosh. I wanted, like, okay. Into the fabric. And here we go. Here we go. Okay, first of all, it's so smooth. Oh, it's sewing. Oh my gosh. Can we just? Oh, look at it. Look at it. Okay. It's so tight. I can't believe how tight the stitch is. Like, my new machine doesn't do this, even on the smallest. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, I want to see a bigger one. I want to see a bigger one. Okay, let's. Something else somebody taught me. I joined the Facebook. Oh, we're stuck here though in the bobbin. I can't pull it out. Why is that? Oh, there we go. I just had to pull it up a little bit more. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, we're tight. Okay, that's fine. I'll figure this out. Somebody in the Facebook group I joined, we might have our tension too high here. Let's loosen this a little bit. Said that I shouldn't be pushing the wheel back, and I didn't know that. That's the top tension. Is that because of this? Loosen it up a little more. Yeah, that's better. What about the bottom? Yeah, I didn't know I shouldn't be pushing the... Oh, that's better. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so that's my tension. Okay, let's make this stitch bigger. Let's see. So, whoops. Let's go to a 3. Let's see what happens. Let's just go crazy. We're going to skip 2 and go to a 3. Oh, yeah. Forward, reverse. Okay, this is fun. All right. Okay. Needle in. I was gonna, you know what's funny about this pedal being at the knee? I was actually gonna take it off and put it on the floor like a goof. But it doesn't take much pressure to get it to go. Oh, we're too loose now. I can see that. I can definitely see that. but let's just go. Yeah, I hear it. I hear that loose. It's very loose, but the stitch still looks really good. Oh, and we've undone ourselves here. Isn't that funny? Okay, so now I know. Now I know. We have to tighten this up. Okay. Oh, this is exciting. Okay. What did we do here? Let's get the strings out. Okay. This is good. What am I going to make first? Oh, yeah, look at. Get it now. Oh, yeah, look. Okay, so I can tell my other machine needs the tension fixed because that's what's happening on the other machine. I just didn't know. Isn't it funny the things I've been sewing since I was 11 and I've made a lot of stuff. And there's just some things I never quite understood about the machine that now I do. But it took like going through this old machine to understand that. It's weird. I don't know. I guess that's just how it is sometimes. I also have to thank Sorina from on Instagram, the account Sorina, because I'd been struggling with my new Singer machine with the stitch, with all the fancy stitches in the computer. And I just kind of surrendered to it. I just didn't think of all the things. It's funny because I am very much an advocate for older machines being better, appliances being better. I just didn't think about it for sewing machines. I don't know why. I saw an old sewing machine and thought I'd have to like hand crank it. I just didn't think, I guess maybe I wasn't ready. I don't know. So she mentioned it. She did Rena did a video about how older machines are better. And I was in the middle of frustratingly trying to sew these mats that I was trying to make. And I ended up just spray gluing them in the end. And they're awful. Like they're not, I'm going to redo them now because I have this machine. So, yeah, then I went on a little hunt and then this came up on Marketplace and I snapped it up. And it was not that difficult. It took a couple days to fix. There was nothing broken about it. It was just seized on the inside from years of misuse. It does need some more cleaning. I can see the little bit bobs. We did do a significant amount of cleaning on it. Previous owners were smokers. Like everybody smoked mid-century. So I can tell like there's some nicotine that we're getting off of it. Anyway, I can't believe how well this runs, especially this first stitch. I see now I can tell with the tension how that goes. So I'm excited about, it's really loose now. I could just keep going. I don't understand what the numbers are for here, but anyway, that's great. So there we go. Now I just have to figure out what I'm going to sew first with it. Am I going to fix my mat? Maybe I'm going to fix the mat today. Try one. I have two mats. One is on the table over here and the other one was terrible. So maybe I will pull that one apart first. And then I have some trousers that I want to pleated trousers with pockets, and a dress with sleeves and a collar. It's beautiful. So we'll see. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay. Isn't it great? Look at her. Isn't she beautiful?